Welcome everyone to Traveling with the Harrisons. We are at Serenade All Suites Adult Only, a new resort that just opened in October 2023. As we walk to our room, one of the things we like is the automated lights that come on in the hallway. We're room 2308. As you enter the room, you will see on the left-hand side, there is generous storage area and lots of lovely space to store your suitcases, which is fabulous. You've got your two very warm terry rope and your slippers, and in case ever needed, your umbrellas. And here there's shelving and there's soft storage drawers. There's 4 of them, so lots of storage in here. You'll have no problem whatsoever. You've got your hanging situation here. Little lax on the hangers, I must admit. For some women, they might feel they would need more hangers, but overall it looks like a good space use. So over here to your left, you've got a nice work area. Hopefully nobody that's traveling to the Caribbean has to work, but if you do, there is certainly a generous area to work. And you've got your TV on the wall. And then just moving over here, there's a nice coffee station with a few snacks. And below here is it's an all-included mini fridge. They come once a day and they refill it. So there's pops, sodas, water, some beer, some chocolates. I'm sure if there was something specific you wanted, you probably could request it. And then over here's a little sitting area, which depending on your type of personality, maybe you like to play a game of cards or something before dinner and sit and relax. So it's a nice little area to do something like that. But the beds look wonderful, very modern decor in here. Not only do you have a fan, but you have air conditioning. It is quite nice how it's moving the air. As stated, this place opened in October, so everything is still very well maintained and modern. Well, let's step out and check out the balcony, shall we? As stated, this is a pool view. One of the things I like out here is the space to put your bathing suits to dry and your towels after coming up from the pool. Very generous space out here. You can comfortably sit out here and have your morning coffee before hitting the pool for the day. So the adult section here is about 325 rooms. It has 3 pools. One pool has your traditional swim-up bar. The other 2 pools do not, but in the center is a big, huge pool bar. that you can get. And of course, then there's the bar in the main area. So moving back through the room towards the bathroom, you might want to note here that they've got the American plugs, and it is USB as well. Again, a great workstation area. And we're coming into the bathroom area. Very modern again with the doors on the railing. And as you walk in, you can see you've got a nice huge sink, and you've got lots of products there. For women, there is the hair dryer there. One of the things I noticed to the left there, you will see that there is a lot of little kits that they gave you just in case you forgot something home, like a dental kit, a comb kit. That is very nice to have. And so moving to your right, you walk into a huge walk-in shower where again, they've got lots of shower products for you to use that they provide. But they also to the left have a little shelf where you could put your own products that you might want to bring. One of the things we noticed about this shower though is if you look to the left, it's very dark there. There's no additional lighting, so you must be careful when being in the shower. One of the things we noticed about the door on the inside, it's probably from the water coming out of the shower, but there is some water damage to the bottom of the door.